the forest of North Carolina lived a young girl named Malachi. She was born with extraordinary powers. The power to harness the weather and move it across the globe, the power to levitate herself and other objects, and the power to manipulate time.
Little did she know that an evil scientist had been tracking her powers and had plans to take her away from her family when she was just 2 years old and raise her in a secret lab, forcing her to work on experiments and scientific advances that he could claim as his own.
On her 12th birthday, when her powers would be at their strongest, evil Dr. Ikeram Doofenshmirtz
Bless you.
would strip Malachi of her powers yet again, taking something of hers as his own.
Malachi grew up to be a kind and wise scientist, flowing for all the stories Dr. Ikeram Doofenshmirtz
Bless you.
would tell her.
Dr. Ikeram Doofenshmirtz
Bless you.
would allow Malachi short trips out of the lab for fresh air. He was tired of lying to her and hoped her powers would grow in the sunlight.
In a clearing behind the lab was an old willow tree. There, Malachi met Cynthia and Sharpshooter.
Cynthia and Sharpshooter lived on the other side of the clearing and would come to the tree often.
So how long do we have to wait out here anyway?
I told you yesterday about this time I saw someone come out from the other side of the woods where the old science lab used to be. You know where my dad worked before the war?
You saw someone. No one is there. No one is ever there. Maybe it was just your imagination.
Look, see? I told you, they're coming this way. Quick, hide behind a tree.
I remember that song from somewhere, but I just can't seem to get this darn memory of mine to cooperate. You know, you don't remember anything after being in the lab? Tried, failed. Even Dr. Ikeram Doofenshmirtz.
Bless you.
Bless you.
What the heck? Is someone there?
Would you mind if there was? We promised we weren't spying on you.
I saw you walking yesterday and I wanted to see if you would come from where I thought. No one comes here anymore. Hey, did you come from the old lab?
People! Real, live, young people. Oh, hey, people. I've wanted to meet people for such a long time, and I never get to meet anyone. Well, anyone other than Dr. Ikeram Doofenshmirtz, that is.
Bless you.
Bless you.
But anyway, wow, hi. My name is Malachi.
I'm Cynthia, and this is
You mean Sharpshooter, right?
Really? This again? Sorry about him. He has delusions of grandeur. His father was a sniper and was killed in the war not too long ago. His father's nickname for him was Sharpshooter, so he started calling himself that, as a way to remember him.
And it's cool.
I'm sorry for your loss, Sharpshooter. I too have lost. I believe so.
What are you talking about? And are you going to tell us what the heck you're doing 2 days in a row near the old lab?
It's not old. It's home. I live there.
What? Freaky.
Are you crazy or something? That place is haunted. It's always raining or lightning storms right over the lab and nowhere else in town. It's like the lab controls it or something.
Oh, no, it's not the lab.
Okay, nice, good.
It's me.
What? All right, look, I'm all for making you friends, but if you're just gonna keep springing stuff on people without explaining.
Very well, impatient one. I am Malachi. I do not remember much of my early life, but I do remember my family friend, Dr. Ikeram Doofenshmirtz.
Bless you.
Dr. Ikeram Doofenshmirtz.
Bless you.
A family friend who has cared for me since I was a wee bubble. He brought me to this lab to protect me. He and I worked together on many important inventions and experiments. You see, I have great powers. He told me he had thought that the rest of the world was destroyed by the war, so there was no people around but him and me. Now I see he's wrong, and it makes me very happy.
Powers? What do you mean you have powers? Like you can turn the sky into cotton candy? Or, maybe you could give yourself all the new designs from Paris without paying for them.
Cynthia has a fashion problem. Just ignore her.
It's not a problem that I have. It's you who have the problem. Being unfashionable all the time is the worst problem ever. No one needs to own that much camo.
Anyway, you were saying?
Well, my powers are mostly related to the weather and levitation, but I seem to be able to sense things before they happen. Please don't let this scare you. I was told by Dr. Ika, by someone close to me, that if anyone else found out about my powers, they tried to hurt me and take them away.
Oh, we won't hurt you. We're just glad to meet someone new and have a new friend. We can meet here by the tree and play in the afternoons if you want.
That would be the most amazing.
You said you were trying to remember something. What was it you were trying to remember?
Oh, I know a song, but I don't know where from. We never have music in the lab, only polka music occasionally. But never this song. When I think of it, I know it makes me happy. I just don't know where I heard it.
Maybe that evil scientist friend of yours really isn't nice. He's actually going to kill you and take your powers, and he's the one who stole you from your family years ago, and you remember the song from your mother, but he doesn't want to admit that he's the one who stole you.
You have the biggest imagination problem ever. Bigger than your fashion problem. That is all just ridiculous. Hey, do you guys want to climb the tree? Malachi, Cynthia, and Sharpshooter played in the clearing every day for the next few years.
Malachi would share her powers with the two friends. They would often confide in each other about what they imagined their future to hold.
Cynthia and Sharpshooter tried their hardest to be good friends as they knew Malachi needed, all the while making sure she knew if things ever went wrong with Dr. Ikaramba Doofenschnitzel,
Bless you.
that Malachi knew she had friends who would care for her.
Are you almost done with the Power Extractor 5000? This will be my greatest, our greatest invention yet. It will take power from anyone, anything, and it will trap it inside its core.
This experiment is almost finished, Doctor. Did we ever specify who we were going to test this on? I mean, we don't know anyone else who has powers besides me.
Want a peanut?
No, thank you, Doctor, but can you answer my question? I need to record it in my log. You know who we will test this on? Could we call it the PE5?
No. Long names make inventions sound more dangerous than they really are. And it's good for hashtags. No more questions. Go to the West Corridor and bring me a bottle of Agent X. Bring it out of storage. I will test the Power Extractor 5000 when you return. Go.
Very well.
Shoo. Now is my chance. Today is Malachi's 12th birthday. Her powers are at their fullest. I can use the Power Extractor 5000 on her. And I'll finally harness all of the powers for my own. Yes, she will lose her youth. So I'm prepared for either a bunch of dust floating in the air or a pile of bones scattered anywhere. But it's okay, because I will steal her powers. And then I will be off to Branson to vacation and control the weather and listen to Dolly Parton whenever I want. Oh, I hear Malachi coming back. I'm going to wrap this and make it look like a birthday present.
What is that?
Happy birthday.
Oh, you have never remembered a birthday before. This is amazing. Thank you.
Why don't you open it while I hide behind the steel barrier for no apparent reason at all?
Oh, I can't wait to see what it is. Oh, the bright light. Doctor, help. It's burning, Doctor. Are you still there?
Powers! They're floating in the air! They're going up through the ventilation system. That means they'll just the town and not just on me. Oh, I must try and catch them before they settle on anyone else.
What's it? Doctor, did you run away? Am I here alone? Cynthia, sharpshooter, can you hear me?
What's happening to me? Ah!
What's going on? Is that me? No, this can't be happening. I'm only 12. How am I an old woman? The scientist did this to me, didn't he? Yes, I remember now. When I was really small, before I was taken away by my mother, she said, yes, that my powers were my youth. That means if they were taken away... Wake up, Malachi. This is what's happening, so deal with it. Dr. Eikaramba Doofenschnitzel, he will pay. I will track him down, lock him up, and find where my powers went. But in the process, I cannot leave this lab or see my friends, or they'll never accept me again, even if I do go back to normal. But it's worth it. I will need someone to be my eyes and ears outside of town while I'm stuck here. Minions. I need minions. I'll make them here in the lab. I have enough Ancient X to make at least a handful of minions. I'll start working on them now, and I will get vengeance on anyone who gets in my way. Especially that dirty Dr. Eikaramba Doofenschnitzel. I must!
And with that, evil Dr.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Went off to the town to spy on locals and see if any of them exhibited powers. Malachi made several minions to assist her in searching for information outside the lab. Those minions were Banana Pants, Cuckoo, and Rhonda. They would bring back information to Malachi about what they saw in the town. Little did Malachi know that her powers had been transferred and split between her friends, Cynthia and Sharpshooter. They were the last thing she thought of before her powers were fully taken. Malachi wants her powers to return to normal, but she's afraid to face her friends, so in the lab she stays for years.
As years go by, the three friends part ways, all unknowing of the other's story.
Malachi continues to hide in the lab and sends her minions out to regain her powers.
Upon realizing she was given powers, Cynthia also went into hiding. She never got to say goodbye to Malachi or Sharpshooter, and didn't know of Malachi's troubles.
Sharpshooter slept through it all, so even years later, he didn't know he possessed powers. All he knew was that his friends disappeared one day. He spent his years dedicating his life to spying, tracking, and covert operations.
Sharpshooter became well known as a spying assassin. He used his skills to monitor the town, and one day he noticed something strange.
This is Red Eagle. Do you copy Shadow Knight?
We copy.
I got eyes on the asset.
Bring them in, Sharpshooter.
No problem. Ha! Easy shot. Now to get some information out of this one. Hey, you! Wake up! There's only a tiny trank dart.
Huh? What? Huh? What's happening to me? Don't hurt me. I'm just a pawn. A weak, insignificant little tool.
Wow. You need to work on your confidence. What are you doing in this town? I've seen you here sneaking around a lot over the last few years. Who sent you? Who do you work for?
Well, it's not union work, I can tell you that.
No messing around, or next time I won't just use a trank dart.
Oh wait. We've been sent to look for someone with powers. Magic powers.
Magic powers, Malachi? Are you looking for Malachi?
I don't know who that is. We're looking for someone who lives on this side of town and cannot control their powers. We see rainstorms hovering often, but by the time we track it, the storm is over and we lose them.
Sounds about right. That's what I've been doing for the past few years, trying to track you, but you always slip away.
My name is Banana Pants. Slipping is what I do. It's in the name. Bananas. Slip. Get it? Can I go now? You're scary.
No, you can't. Yeah, I totally won't set you free so I can follow you back to your headquarters and collect more information on you and who you are working for so I can devise a plan to take you all down.
Right.
Sharpshooter to Shadow Knight, I'm going off the grid for a while. Don't try to contact me.
Roger that, Sharpshooter. Weekdays out there. Open up.
Here's the lab. I'm home, Your Excellence.
What took you so long? Did you find my powers?
Well, no.
I honestly don't know why I tried. How hard is it? You literally follow a gigantic storm cloud in the sky. No buts. Here, I've adapted this to help us track the powers and absorb them.
But that's the machine that stole your powers. The
PE5. That's what it is. The PE5. Cuckoo, Rhonda, get in here.
Did you yell for me?
Look, dude.
Take the PE5 go downtown. Follow the signal until you reach the person who has my powers. Bring them back to me. Don't fail. I've waited long enough. And I'm sick and tired of looking like an old lady.
Whoa.
I want my powers and my youth back.
Whoa.
I always just assumed you're an old lady, dude.
Silence. Go now.
I'm going, dude. I'm going.
Going.
Oh no, there's Malachi. How can this be? What the heck? No. Keep your cool. I'm going to stay here in the lab and hide. Do some recount and figure out what the heck happened. I've always wanted to sneak around this lab anyway. Thanks for the free ticket in, Banana Brains. Let me see. I'm going to find the security room. I'll try to go back to the day Malachi disappeared. Maybe that's the day her powers were lost. Maybe the footage will show me something useful. If Malachi doesn't have powers, I wonder who does.
I'm sensing something strange, like something's plumbing. Whoa!
It's working, dude. It's working. Look, dude, P5000's going in this way now.
Oh,
We got you now, dude.
no, let me go!
Just give him the knockout gas, Rhonda.
No. Whoa.
Now, back to the lab. Malachi will be so excited, dude.
Yeah.
Cuckoo and Rhonda brought Cynthia back to the lab. Sharpshooter had been in the lab searching for answers in the security room and had come across some very interesting footage. He saw the day that Dr. Ikaramba Doofenschnitzer
Bless you.
Bless you.
took Malachi's powers away. When the minions brought Cynthia into the lab, he was shocked to see her. He knew that Cynthia and Malachi's disappearance were pieces to a puzzle that he could solve. He stayed hidden and radioed Shadow Knight back at home base to decide on the plan. Sharpshooter to Shadow Knight, come in. I've got it. I found Malachi and Cynthia. Cynthia has Malachi's powers for some reason. The minions have her sedated and tied up in the lab. Do you copy?
I copy. Yes, hang in there, buddy.
I feel like I've got superhuman powers myself right now. I've never been able to be this undetected, you know? It would be funny if I actually did have powers, huh?
Oh, you do.
What?
You had power for a long time. I just didn't tell you.
What the heck? Can I just be really sneaky now? Or do I have the power to talk to animals or eat toilet paper without getting sick? That would get
Nobody can slow down time.
slow down time. That's it. Now here's the plan.
Yes. What's happening? Where am I? What? Why are my powers not working? I'm so sick of not knowing what I'm doing with these powers. Where am I? Am I in a secret lab?
I'm so scared.
What's gonna happen to me? I wish I could get up and run away, but these darn jeans tie me down so tight.
I'm gonna die in here.
Why are you doing this? You know it's not right.
What else could I even do?
I don't know, but this isn't the right way.
Who cares if it's not the right way? I need my powers.
I know you do.
You don't understand how much they mean to me.
What about your friends? Do they mean anything to you?
You have the right to remain silent. Stop your whining. You have my powers. powers and I want them back.
What are you talking about?
You stole them from me.
I never asked for them. I just blinked one day after a horrible instantaneous rainstorm, and I had them.
A likely story.
I would never steal. I lost everything I care about because of these powers. I don't even know how to control them. I've lost my friends and my fashion sense from being isolated for so long.
Ha! We're probably working with Dr. Ikaramba Doofenschnitzel to...
Bless you.
What did you say?
I remember that name. That was the scientist who took care of my friend. Have you seen her? What happened to her?
Silence! What on earth is going on here? I just need to think. Rhonda, activate the PE5. There's no going back now.
Now's my chance.
Better prepare yourself for some aggressive negotiations. Sharpshooter.
Cynthia?
Malachi?
Sharpshooter?
Hi.
Banana pants.
PE5 is activated. Watch out!
Yeah.
Is everybody okay?
Oh my gosh, I'm myself again.
Malachi, it is you.
Cynthia, sharpshooter.
Okay, look, guys, I'm glad to see you both, but don't you think you should start explaining with some things? Start with the old lady.
Oh, my friends, I can't begin to tell you how happy I am that you're here and I have my powers again. What a wild ride the last few years have been. And sorry about that whole temporarily evil thing. Maybe it was a low blood sugar moment?
I get it. I get angry all the time.
Well, come on, let's get you out of this lab, and you can tell me about it on the way to my house. I'm sure Sharpshooter and I have things to tell you too.
Not really. I know everything.
The friends told each other of their stories, and they all realized that they still had powers.
They decided to use their powers for good by creating a school for superhuman abilities where they would teach a speciality. Sharpshooter would teach Spy 101 as well as weaponry, time control, and mercenary training.
Malachi would teach weather control, foreign accents, and evil monologuing. Cynthia would teach levitation and superhero style, and why we don't wear capes.
Cuckoo, Rhonda, and Banana Pants became their first students, and Igor Dr. Igadamba Doofenschnitzel
Bless you.
was never seen again. Or was he?
Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene,
Good job.
Jolene,
10 million thumbs up for you.
I'm very proud of all you guys for all your hard effort.
All
All right, you guys are silly. Bye. I'll see you.
Bye.